What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another live trading video. So let's get right into it today. There is no point in waiting. Bro, my OBS has been super laggy. I think we're good, though. I think we're good. Let me just make sure. Okay, yeah, I think we're good. Hello? Bro, my face cam's lagging, too. Like, everything is lagging right now. What the hell? I think we're chilling, though. All right, so guys, I will walk you guys through my buys for the day. So as you guys can see here, it is Tuesday, August 18th. I am currently on a absolutely terrible stretch of trading. I have been break even for my last 11 trades, I've been break even 9 times, and I've taken 2 small L's, which have put me at an account balance of 49,417. So those L's have been like literally like this trading is it's all mental. It's ever since I passed my funded or my eval and I've been on the funded, I've just been trading terribly. But I kind of noticed that yesterday and made a change. Yesterday we got break even twice again, but I think they were valid break evens. I just should have ripped the initial 15-second Judas. But anyways, going into the day, as you guys can tell here on the daily time frame, we are extremely bearish. So we are absolutely displacing through all of these high time frame bullish gaps, and we are just running lower. So there is no reason for me to be looking for longs in a day like today. So we're extremely bearish. As you guys can see, we have unmitigated 4-hour gaps. We're delivering from buy side to sell side. And yeah, so what does this mean for me? I just want to see prices lower. As for prices lower, we have really nice high time frame low resistance here leading up to this 4-hour internal. And then if we want to go even lower, we have more low resistance leading up to that daily internal low. So what would I want to see price do today? We have this 30-minute internal high here. I'd like to see us either open high into that and then tap the 2-hour. Pretty sure that this 2-hour internal or this 30-minute internal is... I mean, realistically, if we tap it, we'd be hitting 50% of the range. So I'd be okay with that. But I mean, even more ideally, I'd like to see us go all the way up to this 2-hour internal high. And then on ES is a little bit different today, but I still feel confident in us wanting to go lower. So as you guys can see here, ES has actually already taken out all these high time frame draws. This 4-hour internal, the daily internal, ES has already swept all of them. So we have a really high time frame SMT there. However, the thing is, we aren't really showing much displacement to the upside off of that sweep of the daily internal. And we generated this nice high time frame, or not high time frame, but 5-minute low resistance liquidity here leading up to that daily internal low. So realistically, I could definitely see ES going back down here and being bearish. It just depends on what we get on market open. So I want to be bearish today. For longs, I would definitely need to see like the daily internal get swept or like some really high time frame PDA. Also like I don't want to take longs. Like that would be like kind of a bad case scenario. So in terms of like what we could get for true manipulation, we have this 5-minute here on ES with those equal highs, and then besides that, we really don't have much besides the 4-hour, but realistically, I don't think we're going to make it all the way up to that 4-hour. So if ES does want to give us some nice manipulation, hopefully we could just make it all the way up to that 5-minute, and then I'd be cool with taking that. Yesterday, I faded the Judas swing because ES was edging the 30-minute a gap above, but looking back on it, I think I should have taken it, and then if I would have gotten stopped out, it would have just been a re-entry when ES tapped it, so kind of missed that move there. I mean, it was a valid fade, but it just kind of was one of those ones where you could have taken it. You could have just taken the risk. It was like weighing your pros and cons, and unfortunately, I decided to fade it. It was a really nice trade. I think it depends how you held it, but it might have been break even if you held all the way down, but if you would have just been going for like a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2, it would have played out like literally right away. So yeah, it is what it is. Missed that one, and then I got break even on a pretty solid setup, I would say, a long later on in the session, which I thought was going to play out, but it is what it is. So I mean, as you guys can see, we're down 600-ish on the account. So all that is really one win. It's like 1.5 wins, depending on risk to reward. So very, very easily we could recover this in one day. And I mean, that would be great. And then, yeah, I need those 5 winning days. And then by the time I get 5 winning days, though, I'll have enough in my account to be able to request a payout. So, yeah, I mean, although we're as far away as we possibly could be from a payout right now in terms of like where we're standing on the funded, like it's really not that far. It's possible to get there in like by the end of next week easily, depending on how price action is and depending how I trade. I mean, I've kind of reevaluated my psychology a little bit in this last week, and I've noticed that I've been going break even at points where I don't need to be going break even, like just going break even at noise on the chart, and then I've been risking too little. I don't know, there's just a bunch of like fear related things that I've been doing ever since I hopped on the funded. So, yeah, I mean, I kind of did just take a second step back, reevaluate those, watch some videos, whatnot. I mean, it's important that everybody eventually, like, if you can notice what you're doing wrong, then you're already on a good path. If you're blaming yourself rather than blaming, like, the market or some bullshit or blaming the strategy, shit doesn't make any sense. But, yeah, so let's see what we get here. We have this new candle opening gap here as well, which we might want to hit. I guess we'll see. We're at 25 here on this one. What are we here? They're both, okay. So yeah, I guess we'll see what we get. We do need like low key, like to manipulate quite high here. Maybe we just want to tap this rejection block as well. I mean, I'll mark it out just in case. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we want to get. I like these failure swings that we have here. But yeah, so my initial target is a 30-minute internal low over here on the way left side of the chart. We have that 30-minute internal, and then there weren't really anything else that was sticking out to me besides that 4 hour. So it's kind of all I marked out, like the major swings, all that type of stuff. So yeah, let's see. Well, we formed this rejection block here in not too long, so we'll see if we want to just tap that or if we want to go all the way up to the high. I'd be cool with either. I mean, ideally we want to tap 50% of this range, so that would mean that we go like that. If we like tap the 30-minute, like there should be no way for us to be what's it called, there should be like no way for us to be actually like rejecting, like I'm so stupid, I can't speak. What I'm saying is, like, if we do take this 30-minute internal, although it's under EQ of the range, like realistically we're gonna hit EQ. So yeah, that's what it is right there. So yeah, like EQ is like right above. That would be perfect. That would be perfect. I love that. ES is tapping this new candle opening gap here. Really don't have anything else on NQ besides that 30-minute rejection block and the 30-minute internal, so hopefully we actually make our way up there. We got a little bit under a minute until market open here. A little bit under a minute. ES is rejecting that new candle opening gap nicely. 5-minute new candle opening gap, which is good. Those are basically like fair value gaps equivalent for me. I like the slow resistance that we generated here. Let's see. Hopefully market open gives us something good here. This could potentially be like a super solid risk to reward play. Okay. Well, we open low straight into that 30 minute. There's that 5 second you could take, I guess. Oh, the fuck. Holy shit, whoever took that 5 second, shit got absolutely rinsed. All right, maybe this 30-second inversion here could be the play. This is pretty much exactly what I wanted to see. We tapped EQ there as well. ES manipulated the 5 minute. All right, I'm taking that there off of this 15-minute IFEG. 15 second, my bad. So we got the 15-minute IFEG there. And we'll just hold this one down to this low. And boom. Holy shit. Instant TP. Let's fucking go. Alright, well, I'm done for the day there, bro. That was a fast one. I didn't see that 15 second. I low-key entered like, oh, I got a perfect entry on that. I got a perfect entry. Alright, guys. Well, that's the trade right there. We got a really good one right there. 15-second IFEG off of this 30-minute internal high. Absolutely fire trade. Good risk to reward. Really everything you need with that one. And I'm done for the day here. I mean, it's a tiny dub. Got a little 330 win. But, I mean, that counts as a winning day for me. So I really don't need anything else. I just need, you need your little piece of the pie and then you call it. Will this keep running? Honestly, I feel good about that. I feel like this could run all the way down here. But, you mean all I need is my piece of the pie here. Luckily, I checked that 15 second because I would have held off waiting for that 1 minute and I would have gotten absolutely obliterated. So we had this beautiful resweep here. And then, yeah, absolutely fire. Tap DQ, and then we got the instant inversion there. So, super fire trade. Absolutely love that one. Bro, imagine my TP, like straight reversal off TP would be sick. That's just piece of the pie maxing right there. Want to let me drag this or no? No, not today. It's not letting me drag out. Oh, it's locked. What the fuck? Why is it locked? All right, guys. Wait, let me mark this out. 29713.5. Boom. Stop loss. And we took TP here. 29657.25. Awesome. Well, guys, that is the trade. Wait. 29713.5. I like it. I like to have it as accurate as possible for when I'm journaling, just because it kind of makes me feel better about it. But yeah, super fire dub here. Absolutely awesome. Look at that TP reversal right there. Take a screenshot of that one. Good risk there. Loki could have risked a little more, but it is what it is. That was a super good setup. Literally exactly what I wanted to see from the day. But guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Super quick day there. We are done at 9:35, so that's absolutely amazing. Fire time to take TP, 5 minutes in and out. Best type of work day. But yeah, I mean, I could have risked a little more there, but it is what it is. Like I said, I'm trying to play this one a little bit more cautiously. All I need is those winning days. My first step is recovering the account, and we did over 50% of that today. So yeah, just need another dub, and then we can keep stacking. So until the next one, though, I will catch you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Got some backtesting videos coming soon for you guys as well. So peace out, everybody.